Hello fan collectors, Braxton the Vintage Fanman here, and today what we have here is a 48-inch Moss Caribbean Breeze. Got this from Mark Wilker on the 2021 group trip, and yeah, sorry about that. Still recovering from a cold. So yeah, these are known to have very good air. These are known to be very good air movers. So I have none of the fans in the workshop on today because of that reason. And yeah, I this is just a backlog, so that's why I'm making a video of it now. So yeah. So now let's put it on. Actually, let's go ahead and do 0 to high. Start off with that. Starts off at 1.4 and dropping progressively. That's a big inrush. It stops at 1.14. That's good to know. That's a huge drop. Stops right there. Let's try airflow test. Not bad. New distance. I'm actually still feeling it, surprisingly, through the very entrance. That's not bad. Not a bad fin, actually. Right. Oh yeah, power factor. Let's let it get back up to speed first. Power factor is 0.79. 110 watts. 120.8 volts. That's how much it's pulling, so it's exactly 120. 60 hertz. 79. The power factor is 79, so 0.79 actually, my bad. Okay, now let's do spin down. Already at 2 minutes, wow. While spinning down, let me move the shade. I have to toss this. Look at that. Bent. I don't know how that happened. Didn't drop it though. Somebody over tightened it, I don't know. Spin down's doing pretty good. Bearings are doing pretty good on spin down. Shocker. There it is. 4 speed. 3 speed. Do that later. Alright. Variable speed. Let's get this started. Turn off the light. Making any noise? It's making a little bit of noise. Not much. 0.33 on amps, 8 watts, 60 hertz, typical, 122 volts. That's higher than it was when I had it on full power. Kilowatts is 0.01. Power factor is 0.21. Let's do a quarter turn. Yeah, these are powerful. Another quarter turn. I'm just inching it up. There's full power. Right, so stop that. And okay. Just testing to see if it spins freely. Well, duh, it does. Alright, now 1, 2. Had a little bit of move. 3, 4, 5. Oh, we're still trying to move. 6, 7, 8, 9. Huh, we were moving before that before. It's weird. There's 10, still nothing. Still nothing on 10. Okay, 11. 11's where we get pushed. Where we push it. Let me try something real quick. 7's where it starts. Oops, I accidentally hit my Evergo. Yeah, we're moving on 6. Well, I guess it was just bearings. Put it back to 11. Okay, now 12, 13, 14. I'm just watching the ammeter as well. We're not going over just yet. Those bearings are noisy. Need to oil them. That's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Shoot, not 11. Oh, we're going over. 12. 20. Yeah, we're going way over. It's 1 point. That's why high switch. 1.13 with the high switch. 22. It's 1.19. So we're definitely going over. Oh, I'm not going to go any higher because I don't want to trip any fuses and actually hit the stand yet again. There we go. Alright. Airflow test now. Well, actually, I think I've already done that. I already did that, my bad. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, have a rest of your day, folks, and peace.